Hello, welcome to my senior presentation, and today I'm going to be presenting my career, which is astrophysicist. My community service experience. We Day is a powerful celebration of individuals who are making an impact on the world. So as a We Day member myself, I learned to work as a team and solve bigger problems than me. With middle school girls group, I learned to communicate and show compassion towards others, which can be useful in any situation and career. Love Vista happens during spring break, and it's when youth get together to essentially make our community more beautiful. This has taught me to work hard and never give up because in the end, the results are amazing. What is astrophysics? Astrophysics is a branch of space science that applies the laws of physics and chemistry to determine and explain the birth, life, and death of stars, planets, galaxies, and other objects in the universe. Astrophysics is the study in the way in which various forms of matter and energy interact. It's also the study of nature and time origin of the universe. Objects studied are the sun, other stars, galaxies, extrasolar planets, the interstellar medium, and the cosmic microwave background. Similar occupations to an astrophysicist are astronomers, biochemists, geoscientists, and cosmology. What do astrophysicians do? Astrophysicians develop scientific theories and models that attempt to explain the properties of the natural world, such as the force of gravity or the formation of subatomic particles. Subatomic particles are particles that are smaller than atoms. Physicians also plan and conduct scientific experiments and studies that test theories and discover properties of matter and energy. They also do complex mathematical calculations to discover physical and astronomical data. Data that can show the existence of planets in solar systems and new properties of materials. They can also design new scientific equipment such as telescopes and lasers. Astrophysicists typically apply many disciplines of physics, including mechanics, relativity, quantum mechanics, atomic and molecular physics, and many others. The requirements. You need at least a master's degree to become an astrophysicist, though many employers require a doctoral degree. Students can expect to take courses in engineering, physics, astronomy, and other science courses. Students need to first complete a bachelor's degree with a major in astrophysics or a similar field. Students may choose to complete an internship during their undergraduate curriculum in order to gain additional hands-on experience. They also need 2 to 3 years of training with an experienced scientist and learn all about the different specialties. Salary. The median wage for an astrophysicist was $114,590 as of May 2019. The lowest percent earned less than $57,490. And the highest 10% earned more than $165,770. The average hourly rate for the lowest percent earns about $40.69, while the highest percent earns about $90.51. The hourly pay and the annual pay can vary depending on your specialty. My mentorship experience. During my job shadow with Dr. Becky, I asked many questions. One of my favorite questions that I asked was, "What's your favorite part of your job?" Dr. Becky is an astrophysicist, researching galaxies and supermassive black holes at Christ Church at the University of Oxford. Dr. Becker responded with, and I quote, "Working with other people, young or old, they all have something different to offer. And just talking about a passion for science and space. When working with new research and coming to a prediction, there are no right or wrong answers. And that's the beauty of it. You get to work till your prediction is correct." Pros. The pros are you can develop and continue to learn new skills. You can have the opportunity to discover something that no one has ever discovered before. The cons. The cons are moving to remote areas without your families, long hours, and investing several years in the doctoral program before starting your career. My thoughts and conclusion. In conclusion, I think this career is not suited for me. This career involves a substantial amount of years in college and dedication. However, I do think this career is very important. I still have the love for stars and space, galaxies and planets, but I can learn about them on my own time. With the type of community work that I have done, I've noticed that I love working with families and children. I believe any job in the medical field would be more suited for me. For example, a family nurse practitioner, which will need my dedication. But if it's something that I will truly love, I will have no problem with giving it my all. And that concludes my senior presentation. Thank you for listening.